Welcome to Music Lessons with Mrs. Morris. Today we are going to learn Joy to the World, and this is a really easy version because there's only 3 chords. The first chord is G, the next chord is D, and the last chord is C. In the first phrase you're going to play G, then D, and then back to G. Here we go. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. The next phrase goes C, then D, and back to G. Let earth receive her King. Now the next part is easy because all we're going to do is play G for the next 3 phrases. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing. And then we go to D. And heaven and nature sing. And the last phrase goes G to C. Then we do G, D, G really fast. Here's how it goes. And heaven and heaven and nature sing. Let's practice that ending one more time. It goes G, D, G. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Begin. G, D, G. One more time. G, D, G. Great. I think you're ready to learn the whole song. Here's the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ready? Begin. If you would like to learn more verses of Joy to the World, just check the description box below and you will find a link to some sheet music. Thanks again for joining me and Sadie on Music Lessons for Mrs. Morris. If you're interested in learning some more ukulele songs, you can check them out here. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. God bless. Really, Sadie? Is this how we're going to play?